Hi guys, Annyeong, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, we're going to talk about this new Korean skincare brand that I recently tried. It's called Some by Me. So if you don't know Some by Me, it's a Korean skincare brand and they're known for their 30-day miracle set. It treats acne, dark spots, and all blemishes. So today I'm going to share with you the products that I recently tried from them. So what are these products? I tried two lines from their skin products. It's called the Snail Truecica line. This one in the red packaging. So sorry, look, medyo moist pa yung box because it just came out from the fridge. So there, this is the Snail Truecica line that I tried. Then the other one is the red tea tree Cica Sauside toner and serum. So today I'm going to talk about these products and I'm going to give you a very honest review of the effects of these products on my skin. So first of all, let's talk about my skin type. So what's my skin type? My skin type is combination to oily skin. So I'm very oily, especially on my T-zone. And I get really dry patches sometimes on the sides of my face, especially the jaw area and under my chin. So that's why I consider myself as combination to oily. And another thing about my skin is I'm very acne prone, as in it's been my problem since I was in high school to college until now that I'm working. It's really a problem for me, and I think it's not just me, maybe my sisters also. I think it's in the family, but lahat kami yun yung problem namin with our skin. We're very acne prone. That's why we're acne prone, because we're oily. I think that's the root of acne. It's oil, it's sebum. Kasi syempre, I've been to several dermatologists already. I've tried different skincare products and I'm really picky with my skincare products because it really affects my skin and it's really bad kapag hindi okay yung skincare product. As in, nagbe-breakout ako ng bongga. So first, let's talk about the Snail Truecica line. So this is the Snail Truecica line. I tried the Miracle Repair Toner and the Miracle Repair Serum. So there's another one, the Miracle Repair Cream, but I didn't try that one because I have as I said earlier, I have oily skin, and according to my derma, cream, like the consistency na parang cream-like, hindi siya okay for oily skin, and parang kasi it's thick, so it clogs my pores. So mas okay talaga with oily skin yung toner, syempre, because it's water-based, and the serum because parang siyang gel. That's why I like gel type skincare products. So I tried these two. So the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Toner is 90% black snail and 10,000 ppm Truecica. So it has a pump and it has a very watery consistency. It's a recovery miracle solution, the Snail Truecica. And look, the consistency, as I said, is very watery. So let's try rubbing it. So it's very absorbent to the skin, just like any usual toner. And the smell, it has a very faint smell, which is good. So there. Then it has a cap. Next is the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum. It has a pump as well. And it is 50 ml. So let's try the product. So the product has a gel-like consistency. So you might think that it's thick, but let's try rubbing it. It's a transparent gel. Then there. Then let's rub it. There. It's very smooth to the skin. It's not that thick when you actually rub it to your skin. And it's not sticky. And again, it's very fast absorbent. It doesn't feel sticky and thick at all. It's very lightweight. It has a refreshing feeling on the skin. Look, it's not sticky at all. There, it has a cap as well. So this is the first night that I tried the Miracle Repair Toner and Serum. So as you can see, I have very visible dark spots from my acne. It says here that it improves skin vitality, it has low pH, and it revitalizes your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this is perfect for you. So the reason why I tried this, because I recently tried the 30-Day Miracle, the one in the green packaging from Some By Me, and it's good, but I think hindi pa siya enough for my skin, because as I said, I'm very oily and I have super sensitive skin. So I tried the Snail Truecica line. And I think it's also, parang meron siyang age-defying effect on my skin. And it's snail, guys. Syempre, lahat ng mga skincare lovers out there, they love snail products. So, I was really excited to try this one. So, next, let's talk about the Red Tea Tree Cica Sawside line. So, there, again, I tried the Final Solution Toner and the Final Solution Serum. So the Red Tea Tree Cica Sawside Final Solution Toner is 50% real red tea tree. So it has a screw cap bottle, and it has another layer so the product won't spill easily. It's non-comedogenic tested, it's sensitive skin panel tested, and it's a hypoallergenic toner. So it is 150 ml. So let's check the product. So there again, it has a water-like consistency like any other toner. Let's try rubbing it. There. Again, it's fast absorbent because it's water-based. And the smell, it has a very faint smell as well. And it's a low pH toner. The Red Tea Tree Cica Sawside Final Solution Serum is 86% real red tea tree. So it's hypoallergenic and it has a pump bottle and it's 50 ml. So it also has a gel-like consistency. So let's try. So there, it's also transparent. Let's try rubbing it. So there, it's very easy to rub, it's not sticky at all. And it's not thick, so it's fast absorbent as well. Look, it's not sticky at all. So there, it's for acne care, it's calming, and it's hypoallergenic. So that's the Red Tea Tree Cica Sawside Final Solution Serum. So this is the first day of using the Red Tea Tree Cica Sawside Final Solution Toner and Serum. So since it's daylight, my dark spots are more visible. So let's see if this is going to work. So The reason why I tried this red tea tree line from Some by Me is because they specifically made this for super sensitive skin. And as you can see, it's for acne care. It's calming and it has low pH. So it's perfect for skin like mine. As I said, I'm acne prone, I'm oily, so it's super, and my skin is super sensitive. So this one is so perfect for me. So if you want to know where I purchased these products from Some by Me, I got them from Shopee. So this is the store. And I'm also going to share the link down below, so you should check it out. So how to check the authenticity of your Some by Me products. So the only way to check the authenticity is to look at the silver sticker on the top of your Some by Me products. The boxes pala, I mean the top of the boxes. So this one, and wait, let's check out the other boxes. So there. You'll see a Some by Me silver sticker. So that's what you have to check. You can download this app called Hidden Tag app. It's available on Android and iOS. You can scan these stickers and you can check the authenticity right away. So that's what I love about Some by Me, because some skincare products, madali na silang mapeke. Because, you know, yung mga packaging, madali lang naman silang magaya. But Some by Me, they have these stickers that you can automatically check once you receive the items. So do I recommend purchasing these products? Let's talk about the Snail Truecica line from Some by Me. So after 2 to 3 weeks of using these products, napansin ko na medyo may stretching feeling siya sa face whenever I apply it at night. So FYI, I use this only at night. Okay? Just to be clear with everyone, I use the Snail Truecica line at night before I go to bed. Parang, alam niyo yung feeling na nabanat yung skin nyo. Parang ganun. So maybe yun yung effect ng, yung age-defying effect ng Snail Truecica line. So I like it because, syempre, it helps you prevent wrinkles. And another thing is I like the scent because it's not that strong. Very subtle yung scent niya. So it's friendly for your skin. Another thing is it really revitalizes your skin. As in, mapapansin mo na when I apply it at night, parang sobrang nababrighten yung skin ko. That's why I really like this line. So, do I recommend buying this? So, after 2 to 3 weeks of using this, I can say that okay naman yung effects niya sa skin ko. And, I think okay naman yung value niya for the money. So, I would continue using this. So, I got the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Toner for $599. And it's 135 ml. And I got this Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum for $699. For, how many ml is this? 50 ml as well. It's the same as the Red Tea Truecica Suicide Serum. So next, let's talk about this Red Tea Truecica Suicide line from Some by Me. So after 2 to 3 weeks of using this, I can say that it helped me get rid of my dark spots. So before using these, ang dami kong dark spots on this side of my forehead. So as you can see, ayan, wala na sila, diba? So before kasi, when I put foundation na may face, may kita nyo pa rin siya. As in, meron pa rin slight dark spots sa area na to. Pero nawala na. As in, dati sobrang noticeable niya. Kaya tinatakpan ko siya lagi ng bangs ko. Pero now, ayan, hindi na siya kita. So, I think nakatulong talaga yung Red Tea Tree line ng Some by Me. Sabi din nila, it's acne care. So, I think naka-help talaga siya with my acne. And recently, hindi ako sobrang nag-acne. As in, yung sobrang lala na acne. Meron ako, I have one now here. There, because it's almost time of the month. But, the Red Tea Truecica Suicide line from Some by Me really helped me manage my acne. And, regarding the smell, I really like the smell of the Red Tea Tree line because it's a faint smell. As in, hindi siya yung sobrang amoy alcohol na sobrang lakas. Sobrang mild lang niya, guys. As in, parang ang refreshing niya sa face. Ganun yung scent niya. So, okay siya for me. Kasi ayoko nung masyadong matapang na scent para sa face because it's not good, diba? Especially with super sensitive skin like mine. And that's another thing. I think yun din yung nakatulong with my skin because this red tea tree line, it's for super sensitive skin. So I really think it is for super sensitive skin because I have super sensitive skin. That's why I would recommend buying these products. And I would continue using these products on my face because it really managed my acne problem. So I recommend. So I got the Red Tea Tree Final Solution Toner for 620 pesos. So it's 150 ml. And I got the Red Tea Tree Final Solution Serum for 599. And it's 50 ml. So there, we're done reviewing all of these products from Some By Me. So if you're interested in getting these products, just check out the links down below. So if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have comments or questions or video suggestions, you can write them down on the comment box below. And you can also ring the notification bell for more updates. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was really helpful for you guys, especially for the people who are also interested in getting these products from Some By Me. So thank you, and I hope to do more videos like this in the future. So thank you, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! Annyeong!